Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Welcome to science class. In the last class, we had already learned the lesson Homes of Animals. Now, we are going to see the book exercise. First one, our house provides us dash from extreme heat and cold. Shelter, food, water. Which is the correct answer? Good. Our house provides us shelter from extreme heat and cold. Second one, wild animals live in their dash environment. Natural, man-made, zoo. Which is the correct answer? Good. Natural. Wild animals live in their natural environment. Next one. Man-made shelters should be dash and dry for the animals. Dark, hot, airy. Which is the correct answer? Good. Airy. Man-made shelters should be airy and dry for the animals. Birds build their dash. Feathers, nest, trees. Which is the correct answer? Birds build their nest. Dash build their nest on tall trees or cliffs. Cranes, eagles, tailor bird. Which is the correct answer? Good. Eagles build their nest on tall trees or cliffs. Next one, fill in the blanks. Lions live in dash formed by rocks. Where do lions live? Good. Lions live in dens formed by rocks. Domestic animals live in dash shelters. Where do domestic animals live? Good. Domestic animals live in man-made shelters. Next one. Snakes live in dash, dash and dash. Where do snakes live? Good. Snakes live in deserts, forests and oceans. Next one, rabbit burrows often have a network of dash. Rabbit burrows often have a network of tunnel. A bulbul builds a dash-shaped nest. Good. A bulbul builds a cup-shaped nest. Next one, match the following. Dogs live in a anthill. Horses live in a hoop. Ants live in a kennel. Cows are kept in a stable. Hens are kept in a shed. Yes, where do dogs live? Good. Dogs live in a kennel. Then horses live in a, where do horses live? Good. Horses live in a stable. Next, ants live in an dash. Where do ants live? Good. Ants live in an anthill. Next, cows are kept in a, good. Cows are kept in a shed. Last one, hens are kept in a, good, hoop. Hens are kept in a hoop. Dogs live in a kennel. Horses live in a stable. Ants live in an anthill. Cows are kept in a shed. Hens are kept in a hoop. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? Yes, this is a plant. We had already learned the parts of a plant. This is a leaf. This is a stem. Good. What is this? This is a bud. What is this? This is a flower. What is this? This is a fruit. Like plants, there are many parts in our body also. Today we are going to learn the body parts. Now we shall move into today's lesson. Human body. Our body has different parts. Now let us see it with a picture. Each part has its own function. Function means duty. All the parts are very important. Let us start with a head. Head. Face is the front part of the head. There are many parts on the face. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue. Now we move on to the rest of the body parts. First one is neck. Then comes shoulder. Then comes chest. Then comes abdomen. Abdomen means stomach. How many arms do we have? Good. We have 2 arms. The chest and the abdomen form the trunk. The upper trunk has the chest and the lower trunk has the abdomen. How many legs do we have? We have 2 legs. Our hands and legs form the limbs. Limbs are joined to the trunk. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? This is a cell. The human body is made up of small structures called cell. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living things. How many cells are in our body? The human body is made up of millions of cells. Cell is the smallest unit of our body. They provide structure for the body, take in nutrients from food, etc. Cells are too tiny. Too tiny means small. We cannot see with our naked eye. Naked eye means it can be seen without the help of an instrument. Cells are too tiny and can be seen only using a microscope. Now we are going to learn about tissue. Many similar cells means same cells. Many similar cells together form a tissue. Tissues are groups of cells that work together to do a job in the body. They are a group of cells having the same structure and function. The cells look the same or almost the same. Next, organs. Different tissues combine together to form large units called organs. Organs are made up of more than one kind of tissue. For example, the heart is an organ. It is made up of different tissues. These organs are grouped together into organ system. Give examples for the organs. Good. Eyes. What are the organs in our body? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, heart. Good. There are many organs in our body. These organs are grouped together into organ system. These organs carry out different functions in our body. Organs can be either external or internal. What is meant by external? External organs means an organ that is situated on or near the surface of the body. External organs are organs that we can see. What are the organs we can see? Yes, eyes, nose, ears, tongue, hand, leg. Yes, these are the external organs. Next one, internal organs. What are internal organs? Internal organs are present inside the body. They cannot be seen. Give some example for the internal organs. What are the organs are inside our body? Good. Heart, brain, lungs. Good. Liver. These are some internal organs. An internal organ is an organ that is inside the body, beneath the skin, under the skin. They cannot be seen. What is an organ system? We had already learned. Good. But yes, organs together form the organ system. Each organ system plays an important role for our well-being. The organ systems in our body all work together. There are many organ systems in our body. This helps the human body to perform its various functions. Now we are going to see the main organ system in our body. They are skeletal system, muscular system, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system, excretory system, reproductive system. Now let us recap the lesson. Human body. The human body is divided into head, trunk and limbs. The chest and abdomen form the trunk. Our hands and legs form the limbs. Cell is the smallest unit of the body. There are millions of cells in the body. Cells can be seen only using a microscope. Tissue. Many similar cells together form a tissue. Organs. Different tissues combine together to form large units called organs. Example: eyes, nose. External organs. External organs are organs that we can see. Example: eyes, ears. Internal organs. Internal organs are present inside the body. Example: brain, heart. Organ system. Organs together form the organ system. Organ system in our body: skeletal system, muscular system, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system, excretory system and reproductive system. Children, today we have learned about body parts, cell, tissue, organ an organ system in our body. Read the lessons and do the assignment. Thank you, children.